Should you have an HVAC maintenance plan by Homebridge Canada? The quick answer is yes. They validate your HVAC equipment warranties. They help your HVAC equipment keep up its efficiencies. They will also prolong the life of your HVAC equipment. Many manufacturers are now requiring proof of maintenance before honoring their warranties. Most people don't think about their HVAC system until it breaks down. Then you have to drop everything until it's working again. HVAC systems always seem to break down during the hottest or coldest times of the year, as that's when they are working the hardest. To reduce untimely breakdowns and to allow your HVAC equipment to last longer, manufacturers suggest annual maintenance of your heating and cooling systems. Just like your car, your HVAC system needs regular maintenance. Homebridge Canada offers two great maintenance options: our Home Care Maintenance Membership and our Home Care Protection Membership. Our Home Care Maintenance Membership. This membership is a great membership when your HVAC equipment is still new and under manufacturer's warranty. This membership provides an annual comprehensive 24-point inspection, a precision tune-up, and a home care report card with recommendations for improving the system performance, prolonging equipment longevity, and reducing energy costs. Our Home Care Plus Protection Membership is a great membership when your HVAC equipment is a little older and no longer under your manufacturer's warranty. This membership provides an annual comprehensive 24-point inspection, a precision tune-up, a Home Care Plus report card with recommendations for improving the system performance, prolonged equipment longevity, and reduced energy costs, as well as unlimited service calls, priority service, and most parts and labor are included. And what we mean by most parts and labor is if it's inside the furnace, it's covered, with the exception of the heat exchanger. And if it's inside the air conditioner, it's covered, with the exception of the coils and the compressor. Both our Home Care Plus maintenance and protection members receive up to $1,500 in discounts towards the purchase of an eligible furnace, air conditioner, or hot water product. Here's how this works. Each year you are a Home Care Plus member, you earn $100 off an eligible piece of HVAC equipment, to a maximum of $500. So, if you've been a member for 4 years and you need a new air conditioner, you've earned $400 off that air conditioner. If you've been a member for 10 years, you have now earned $500 off 2 eligible pieces of HVAC equipment. You could replace your furnace and your air conditioner and receive $500 off of each. We will help keep your HVAC system running, and when the time comes to upgrade your system, we'll give you a good portion of your membership fees back. You really have nothing to lose and plenty of peace of mind to gain. Our home care memberships are only available through Homebridge Canada, a company that was established in 2001. All of our technicians are fully licensed and qualified. They're all employees, not subcontractors. They're all factory trained. They're all WSIB compliant and fully insured. To get protected, in Simcoe County, call us at 705-722-0209, and in York Region, call us at 905-954-3800.